If you are looking for a quiet and secured community with a relaxing atmosphere, welcome to this corner lot home. Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Okay, we're here inside Mission Hills in Havila, Antipolo. Feature natin tong corner property. Alright, so dito sa parking, pwede po ito, good for 2 carport vehicle. So kahit ano sakyan, I think kasya naman. And then, andito yung ating garden. Then on this side, dyan kay Miming, dyan sa may stepping stone going to our lanay area. Okay? And main door, then welcome to your new home. So very basic, ito yung ating magiging living area. And then straightforward dito sa ating dining area. Okay? Ito yung lanay area. Dito muna ako, meron tayo ditong common toilet and bath dito sa ating ground floor area. And this bedroom dito sa ground floor, this is good for a guest room or a senior room since katabi lang naman po yung bathroom area, toilet and bath natin, right? Paki-disregard na lang muna ng mga kalat, no? Then ito is yung ating kitchen area. So di sa labas, daanan ko lang saglit. Di sa may setback. Okay. So ito, pituan na to is yung ating storage area. Then meron tayo dito service area. And nandito is yung maid's quarter with toilet and bath. Okay? Hindi na pupuntahan ha. Ang gulo magulo pa, masyado pang magulo doon. Ginawang medyo naging tambakan yung maid's quarter doon. Pero meron po, andun yung maid's quarter with toilet and bath po yun. Okay, so again, ito yung ating kitchen area. So very simple lang. Then ito yung ating dining, lanay, and then yung living area. Okay, tapos nandito yung bedroom na pinasok ko kanina and yung toilet and bath. So, akit tayo na second floor. Actually, the highlights of the property is yung pagiging corner home, corner lot home. And aside from that, is yung quiet community. Since ito po is inside subdivision dito sa Mission Hills in Havila, Antipolo. Okay? So, kung familiar kayo, alam nyo naman po kung ano yung Mission Hills Havila. So first bedroom dito sa second floor, we have built-in cabinet, a provision for a window type aircon, and then ito yung space with toilet and bath. Okay? So kung mapapansin nyo, naka-shower enclosure na rin yan. Naka-grills na rin yan yung kanyang mga windows, right? And then yung common space natin dito is yung ating for family area. Or pwede nyo gawing office area. So depende kung paano nyo gagamitin. Second bedroom dito sa ating second floor. Of course, may built-in cabinet and may toilet and bath din po. Price po natin dito, price is 24 million. Disclaimer lang, pwedeng tumaas yan, pwedeng bumaba without prior notice from the seller. Alright? Then the last bedroom is yung ating, of course, master's bedroom. So ito yung space. And then may walk-in closet siya, toilet and bath. So ito yung kanyang toilet and bath. And yung kanyang walk-in closet. Again, ito yung space ng ating master's bedroom. And then, meron tayong, for relaxation, meron tayo ditong balcony. Mas kita po dito yung view ng mga buildings dito sa Metro Manila. Okay? And ito yung community. Ito yung mga magiging kapitbahay nyo. Napakatahimik dito sa area na to. Malapit kayo sa guard, di sa may guard actually. Dalawa kasi yung gate eh. So, nandito sa kabila is yung, nandito yung guard. Katabi nyo. Halos katabi pala. Okay? One lot apart lang po. Okay, so ito, nandito. Ewan ko lang kung kita di sa camera. Pero nandun yung mga buildings sa Metro Manila. Okay? So, nakita nyo yung community. Yan talaga yung highlights ng property. Corner lot, and then yung community, napakagandang community, secured, and a quiet community. Alright? So yun lang. Pasensya na kayo, medyo magulo pa. Balikan ko na lang siguro kapag 100% na, pero pwede na po tayo mag-viewing. Okay? Pwede na tayo mag-viewing. Again, this is ang location natin is Mission Hills in Antipolo. Okay? By Havila Philinvest. So, very quiet community. Again, Mission Hills in Antipolo. So, that's it. Again, my name is Vino, Pensia Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching po. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.